The Cy-Fair drum line was firing up the Bobcats as they entered the field. First quarter, Clayton Kopecky lofts it up just a bit too much. Jason King picks it off and takes it back, giving Pearland great field position. That would set up Zachary Vogler, who takes the direct snap for a short touchdown, and the Oilers jump out to a 7-0 lead. And how about the Oilers flag crew with no shirts in the freezing weather? Pearland looking for more, but Austin Schaefer gets in the way of the Connor Heath pass, and this would lead to a field goal, cutting the lead to 7-3 early in the second. Pearland would have to go for it on 4th and 5 late in the second as they were driving, and the gamble pays off as Heath hits Vogler down to the 13. It led to a field goal, and Pearland went into the half up 10-3. Cy-Fair was on the move late in the third. Kopecky rolls out and hits Drew Tobler, who gets into the end zone, but it's called back due to a block in the back. And on the very next play, wouldn't you know it, Kopecky feels some pressure, and Kevin Harvey gets the interception, stopping the Bobcat drive.
Wow! Yeah!
Cy-Fair actually outgained Pearland in this one, but the Oilers defense stepped up when it mattered the most. They stop a run on 4th down late in the game, and they grind out a trip to the state semifinals with a 10-3 win.
Defense, you did a heck of a job!
But our kids, again, they didn't care how we do it or what we needed to do. They just knew they were going to play for 48 minutes, and they believed in their hearts that they'd have more points than the other team at the end.
Oh, man. I couldn't ask for anything more, man. Just another shot to get the state, man. So excited.